Hello everybody, welcome to Crafty Nook. I made a spring album from the Mintay collection Beauty in Bloom, and I want to show you this album. So let's flip through it, shall we? The album measures 8 by 6 and has a 1-inch spine, or 1/8. This is the back. Beautiful paper, yeah. I embellished it with some flowers and a bird. That was it. I popped this up on some foam tape, these two, and this one is underneath it. So yeah, so I popped these up, and this is underneath. A little bit of dimension, not too much, as you can see. It's just small. And when we open up, we see a pocket. It holds a small card. Flips up for some journaling or something nice. And then here you have room for a picture. You can put one big picture there. I'll just show it. It's big enough for a 4 by 6. As is here, it's some paperscaping here. Also big enough for 4 by 6. On the next page, we have a magnet here, which opens up, would give you room for some journaling up and down, and again, space for a picture. I have room for journaling right here. Here, you can put a picture here. It's beautiful paper, so you might not want to. Again, we have some room for a picture here, and right here underneath the tuck spot, I put the card with some room to journal, but you can also do a picture here, and it'll be pretty as well. Or you can do both, whatever you want. You can do a card here and put them both in. Also nice. There. And then you have a beautiful spot right here with some paperscaping again. I did a lot of paperscaping in this album because the paper's just to die for. Here we have a twist, so you can do it portrait pictures in here or landscape, whichever you prefer. A little journal spot, and room for pictures right here. Also, it closes with a magnet. Right here you have a magnetized closure with a card, very pretty, and then some place to journal again, and a spot for picture, of course. And I think this matches beautifully together. The blue and the yellow and the wood right here. It just matches. Perfect. All right, here we have a spot. This, I wanted to do something different than a waterfall. So again, room for a picture. Here, room for a picture. You can fit a picture on here. Big enough. This is a card. You can flip it and you have like, and then here you can put a picture as well. Also, place for a picture or not, whatever you like. Here I put is a tuck spot for a picture. I put in a card just to embellish it a bit, and again, paperscaping and room for pictures. And something nice right here. You put a picture up here. You can do a picture or journal some more. Place for a picture, and here we have, again, just like in the front, a pocket, again with a little booklet, and a bigger booklet for pictures. It has paper. You can do it landscape if you want or not. It's very simple. You can put some stickers on here, whatever you like. Put something nice up here. It's up to you. I kept it clean so you can give it your own twist. So that's the album. I hope you like it, and give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe underneath, and I'll put all the descriptions and measurements down below. And do watch my other video. I will post a video on how I made this album and how I decorated it. And I hope you watch it. I'll leave the link down below when it's up. And if you subscribe to my channel, then you know when the video goes up. And you can make it yourself, which is wonderful. Or with a different paper, but same book. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon.